Let's break down Skrill versus PayPal. Which one is actually better for you? Starting with fees, Skrill is usually cheaper for international transfers and currency conversion. PayPal is more expensive, especially when sending money abroad or converting foreign currencies. For availability, PayPal wins. More websites accept PayPal for checkout. Skrill is accepted by fewer merchants but is more popular in trading, gaming, and international transfers. For speed, both are fast, but Skrill often delivers international transfers instantly, while PayPal transfers to certain countries can be slower and more expensive. For crypto, Skrill lets you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more directly inside the app. PayPal also supports crypto but has more limitations and higher fees in many regions. For business, PayPal has more integrations and invoicing tools. Skrill Business works well for trading platforms, online shops, and marketplaces, but is more niche. So choose Skrill for lower fees, quick money transfers, and easy crypto access. Choose PayPal for global acceptance, business tools, and everyday online payments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.